So first of all, WHO has always welcomed the conduct of so many clinical trials around the world for so many vaccine candidates. And because the more we have that are tested for safety and efficacy, the better the chances of finding one that is safe and efficacious and can be deployed widely. Now, when you do clinical trials, we're basically looking for two things. We're looking for protection, or what we call efficacy, compared to the control group. And then you also look for safety, which is side effects, adverse effects, all the way from very minor side effects to serious adverse events. And every clinical trial protocol has built into it SOP, operating procedure for how you manage these side effects. So the clinicians at the site where the trials are being done are trained in good clinical practices, which means that they're following all these participants closely, monitoring them, and then there is a protocol for what you do when something happens. And if it's a mild side effect, there are things to be done. If it is major, as it was in this case, it was a severe side event, and therefore the trial was halted. And again, this is normal procedure. This is good clinical practice, because safety is of the utmost, is the highest priority in any clinical trial. And so the trial has been halted. The Data Safety Monitoring Board is going to look into the details of this individual with the reported side effect. There will be obviously discussions and then a decision made on how to proceed. So I think this is a good, perhaps a wake-up call or a lesson for everyone to recognize the fact that there are ups and downs in research. There are ups and downs in clinical development, and we have to be prepared for those. It's not always a fast and a straight road, but we don't need to be overly discouraged, because these things happen, and we have to wait for the determination by the Data Safety Monitoring Board on this particular case, and then what the next steps are going to be for this vaccine trial. And we hope that things will be able to move on, but again, it depends. It depends on a lot, and we have to wait to see the details of what actually happened.